Aqua Springs glass desktop aquarium adds a touch of elegance to any room. At Aqua Springs Center is the decorative water feature that conceals Aqueon's patented QuietFlow filtration, creating the gentle sounds of a babbling brook. Aqua Springs comes with a decorative plant, or simply exchange it with a semi-aquatic plant. And watch as fish mingle with live roots. Harmony at its best. Aqua Springs is equipped with LED lighting and illuminates your aquascape. Its stylish frameless aquarium with floating base completes the modern look. Aqua Springs comes with a medium cartridge, fish food and water care sachets, and aquarium setup guide, and is available in 2 sizes, 8.8 gallons and 11 gallons. Aqua Springs blends design, beauty, balance.